That's your
Can you
own.
throw that away for me, please?
Mom, put it in there. Because it's too big. Look. In there. So, Mom, we got a new thing. I help you build it. I help you build it.
No, I got it, babe. Hold on.
In a minute.
Hey, you guys. Long time no see. Where have we been? So, just want to kind of give you guys a little recap of the week from the last vlog, because I actually have not vlogged since last Friday, I want to say. You guys saw the clip of me installing my water filter, so that was the last time I actually vlogged. So I just kind of wanted to update you guys on what we've been doing. I had broke my phone, and I did not have the charger to my vlog camera, so I wasn't able to vlog this weekend at all. I just got my phone fixed. Was it yesterday? No, I got my phone fixed Monday. So, and then I found a charger for my camera. So I was able to let it charge yesterday, and so now here we are. So that's just kind of been what's going on. So I was down for a little bit, so I couldn't vlog for a few days, but
I want to do my video.
Hold on, buddy. Now we back in action, and yeah, we have been, so just a little update. Mason, I have been keeping him out of school because this COVID mess is just too much, and so I'm definitely pursuing homeschooling him, at least for the remainder of this school semester. So I've been kind of easing into that. I still need to send off like the paperwork to request to homeschool him. Hold on, buddy.
I hold her.
So that has been in the works. So he's been, all the kids have been home, of course. Obviously Maverick's not in school yet, and she's obviously not in school. But yeah, so it's just been me and the kids here. You know, I work from home, so we've just been all cooped up in the house. We just got back from the store a little bit ago because we are expecting a winter storm. It's supposed to start tomorrow, early tomorrow morning until an ending Friday morning. So I just went to the grocery store, got a few things like water, juice, like little snacks, like non-perishable items, just in case the power goes out, because they say that it's supposed to be like freezing rain and so, and ice and all that stuff. So they say it may cause hold on, buddy. It may cause for, she's okay. Okay. Hold on. I'm choking. You okay? So it may cause for the power to go out. Hopefully that doesn't happen, but if it does, we have candles and blankets, and we have things to eat that don't require, you know, the microwave or the stove or whatever. So yeah. What you doing? What are you doing? Huh?
I'm playing with your glasses.
She wants my glasses. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to update you, let you know what was going on, since we've kind of started late in the week with vlogging, but hey, things happen. So yeah, me and the kids are just chilling, watching TV, trying to keep warm. It's really not cold outside. It's currently raining. That's about it. But in my car, it said that it was 50 degrees. And that's what the weather, my weather app says also. Take those off, Maverick, because it'll hurt your eyes. Here, you don't play with other people's glasses. Here, give me my glasses, sir. Thank you.
Well, Myles got them.
Well, she's a baby. So yeah, we are just chilling. You have anything to say?
I said Myles, stinky butt.
Really? Okay. Then Mason's over there on his tablet. Mason, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Come here, I gotta ask you a question.
I want the camera.
Stop, man. Come here real quick.
What's up? What?
Ow. So, do you like staying home for school? Do you want to be homeschooled?
I'll only go to school.
Huh?
Only go to school.
You want to go back to school? So you're not afraid of COVID? Okay. You're scared of what? COVID. Well, yeah, that's why I'm keeping you out of school, because COVID seems to be getting worse. Hold on, y'all. My mama's calling, and my sister. Ouch, Mason. Let me see what they want.
Somebody and your phone don't even be connected. We can't see you.
I know. Oh my gosh. Jeez. And can't even hear.
Well, Ashley ain't connected.
Oh.
You said me and Tootie are connected.
Yes, I see her. I see Ashley. It's just showing your picture.
I know it, my camera.
Why?
I don't see Ashley. Well,
Duh! You are nothing about me. Hi, no.
Mason, stop.
I vlog.
Look, y'all on my vlog.
oh Lord.
Hey! Where is Mommy's
I seen something that said I put laundry detergent in my washer the same way I season my chicken. If I don't see the seasoning, then it don't count. So I'm like, do you work for GE? Give me Myles, say hi. Look who's sitting up. Right when I turn the camera on. Really? You gonna do that? You gonna do that once I turn the camera on? Huh?
I'm gonna get her back up. Good.
Be careful. Oh, you guys. Whew, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it is freezing rain out here. Whew. And it is freaking cold. Whew. Mommy little treat myself night. Got me some Oreo thins, some Cheez-Its, and Miss Marsala. Got Miss Marsala on deck. Yes, sir. I'm about to have a good old night. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Saturday, and you know what that means. Today is cleaning day. It's snowy outside and cold. I don't know if y'all can really see. It's not a lot of snow. We didn't get a lot of snow, but it's icy outside and very cold, so we will be in for today. I'm gonna record a cleaning video today also, because I haven't done that in a while. So I'll be doing that. I'm gonna wipe y'all off. Maverick, get off the trash can. So yes, I'm gonna record a cleaning video today. Look at, oh, this boy done took her out. Oh my gosh. Mason, you need to ask if you can pick her up, okay? Because I'd be scared y'all gonna drop her. Go sit down with her. Dang, they love picking up their sister. But see, you gotta be careful. She just be laughing. Don't even know the danger. But we just got in. I just picked them up from their dads. So yeah. We are about to just chill out in the house. I guess I can record a little bit of me cleaning for y'all, but more than likely this will be the end of this vlog. So I may, hold on buddy, I may or may not pop back on here to officially close it out, depending on how I feel. But I'm gonna try to do that because I feel like that's just rude, just leaving y'all abruptly. So I will come back on here after I get to a good point. Oh my gosh, my kids, dude. What are you doing? No, get down. I'm gonna start calling you Snacky, because that's all you want to do is eat snacks. You haven't even had breakfast yet, Maverick.
I had pizza.
You did not have pizza.
Yes, we.
Your daddy said y'all just woke up.
No, we didn't. We had pizza.
Y'all had pizza, yeah, last night, not for breakfast.
Oh.
Do you want cereal? Huh? Yes or no? And go put your shoes in your closet in your room. So yes, you guys, let me start cleaning and I'll talk to y'all later. I don't even know. Did y'all buy tickets for this year?
Heck no.
Yes. Save your money.
Well, not yet. Not basketball. Keep still thinking about football.
who is sitting up. She's a little slouch, but she can sit up by herself without me holding her. And y'all, she's not even 6 months yet. She'll be 6 months. What's today? She'll be 6 months in 6 days. 7 days. She'll be 6 months, August 12th. Say, ain't that right? Yeah, big girl. Say, big girl. Uh-oh, you scare me when you do that. Myles. What you doing, Mama? Mama Lou. Are you sitting up by yourself? Myles. Myles.